Greetings and salutations, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be opening something a little bit different. Today, we are going to be opening two 1988 NWA Wonderama packs. These are 7-card packs. These came out 1988. Don't fact check me on this, but I believe this is the first set that was put out exclusively for Jim Crockett Promotions, JCP. These came out a little before the sale to Turner, when it was still JCP. They have all your favorite stars of that time: Flair, Luger. The Sting rookie card is the one we're going to be looking for, hoping to pull in these two packs. It is a very large set. It's 343 cards. So only getting 14 here in these two packs. Pulling a Sting rookie, odds aren't with us. But I think it's something different. It's pretty cool. I recently purchased a giant lot of these cards. Most of them are available on eBay or on our website at necccards.com. Here's just what they look like. You know, they made cards for pretty much anyone that was in the promotion at that time, like the Gladiator 2. There's the Flair cover card that's in the pack. Luger, Kendall Windham, Jack Victory, Michael P.S. Hayes. So they're nice cards. Action photos. And then a little summary of what it is on the back. And this is Ricky Santana, UWF champion, versus one of the sheep herders. So anyway, let's get right into the packs. See if we can pull a Sting rookie card. I'm not exactly even sure how we're going to go about opening these packs. Maybe a little... I want to... Let's see if we got it. These are very... Like, they don't give you a lot of leeway. There we go. We got it that time. All right, so there is the Ric Flair header card. We've got Road Warrior Hawk. Dick Murdoch, I believe. Yep, Dickie Murdoch and Nikita. Lex Luger. I guess these are all considered rookie cards, so that'd be a Lex Luger rookie card. Very nice card there. Next up, we have Ricky Santana versus Terry Taylor. Again, nice bloody card there. Black Bart. Doesn't say who his opponent is, but that's cool. A Magnum TA. Missy Hyatt. I think a lot of people that were watching back then know who she is. And a checklist. So that would be, you know, a Missy Hyatt rookie card. And it has like a little survey on the, not survey, but her favorite things and hometown, years as a pro, stuff like that. So that was pretty cool pack one. We got a Lex Luger, Missy Hyatt, Road Warrior Hawk. Let's get into pack number 2. See if we can pull the Sting rookie. The Sting rookie card, I believe, ungraded is like a $50 card, maybe even a little bit more. So it'd be really nice to pull it. So let's see what's in this one. All right, there's our cover card again. Ric Flair. Paul Jones. heel manager at the time. Managed like Shaska Watley and a bunch of others. Let's see. The Barbarian, Tejo Khan, Baron von Raschke, Fernandez and Rude. Yep, he managed the tag team champions before Rude left for the WWF. Here's Eddie Gilbert and Sting. It's not the Sting card we were looking for, but that's still a pretty cool card right there. Rugged Ronnie Garvin. The Hands of Stone, or the Garvin Stomp, which was brought back later by Randy Orton. What do we have here? Ivan Koloff? Oh, Nikita. We have Sting and Arn Anderson. They're just going to call it Arn Anderson. Kevin Sullivan. Having the guy in his famous Tree of Woe maneuver. We've got the checklist, which doesn't matter. And we end with Nikita down on the ground being laid out by Luger. And there you go. This is 1988 NWA Wonderama pack. Again, just a quick recap. Sting and Gilbert is a cool one. The Missy Hyatt card is a popular one. Magnum sticker. Lex Luger rookie card. Dickie Murdoch, Road Warrior Hawk. So just something a little different I wanted to showcase today. Thank you for watching, and we'll be back real soon with another video. Have a nice day. Bye.